channel. In this video, I quickly want to show you how to create AI images like this. Now look at this image. Do you know that you can tell AI to paint a picture of a girl riding on a horse across the valleys, and AI will give you something like this? Let me show you another image. This is a picture of heaven. You can see angels ascending and descending. It was AI that created this. And the amazing thing is that in less than 3 minutes, what is even 3 minutes? In less than a minute, you can get this done. Let me quickly show you some of the images that I created myself. So as you can see here, I told AI, create an image of a Yoruba family, father, mother, a 7-year-old daughter, a 4-year-old son, eating jollof rice on the dining table. Now let me open the images so that you see what it's brought out for me. You can see the first picture. Amazing, isn't it? The next one, this one, they even made it 3 children. The next one and the next one. The amazing thing about this AI tool is that it will give you 4 options. Anything you ask it to do, it will bring out 4 different images so that you can eventually choose. The next thing I asked it to do for me was to create an AI image of an African woman in a kitchen holding a dish liquid wash, that the name of the wash is Soma Wash. So if you own a product, let me say for example you do sell Zobo now, do you know you can create an image like this? You will hold the Zobo, an AI picture will hold the Zobo and the name of your company will be on that Zobo. So whatever it is that you are selling, you can even tell it to create a picture of you wearing a shirt, not you, sorry, a picture of an image wearing a shirt with the name of your company on it. So quickly, let me show you how you can do this because I know you can't wait to learn this. Let's head over to my Chrome browser. So that's the same thing you're going to be doing. Head over to your Chrome browser. So right now I'm on Chrome browser. I'm just going to type in Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Microsoft Bing Image Creator. You can see it here. It's the first thing that is here and it's also here. Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Just click on it. Then the first website you're seeing here, which is the Bing, www.bing.com. Click on it also, okay? Then we are going to be logging in. We're going to be creating an account. So the first thing you're going to click here is this button that says join and what? Create. When you join and create, you'll be asked to sign up. Since you are a new user, what you have to do is to click on create one. Okay, you're a new user. So enter in the email that you want to use to create an account with Bing. All right. And press next. Then they will ask you to fill in your first name and your last name. When you're done with that, press next. They will ask you to fill in your birthday. When you're done with that, press next. If you're not watching this video from Nigeria, make sure you select your country. If you're from Ghana, Sierra Leone, US, any country, make sure you put it in. The next thing is for you to verify your email. So they are going to send you a 6-digit code to your Gmail account or any other mail account you use. Make sure you go to your Gmail account, copy the 6-digit code and enter it here. Then you click on what? Next. So you as a new user, they will ask you to prove that you are not a robot. All you just have to do is to follow the prompts. Because I've already opened my account, I can't show you that stage again. Okay, you can either choose the audio part. That audio part, what they asked me to do was to tell them how many people were speaking in the audio. So you see the play button there, just click on the play button. Then the option 1, 3 people may be speaking. Option 2, 2 people may be speaking. Option 3, 1 person may be speaking. They will now ask you which of the options was 1 person speaking. So for that kind of thing, you just choose option 3. If you don't like the audio part, you can use the visual part. Okay, the visual part is where you're going to point an arrow to face the same direction that a hand is facing. But me, I didn't like that one, so I went for the audio. It was easier for me. So when you are done with your verification, it will open to this page. And then you can now type in whatever you want to, whatever image prompt you want to use in this section. Okay, now let me talk about this. These your coins here, or should I call them points? They are the number of times you can create an image in a day. So usually is 14 every day, but after 24 hours it will come up again. So I can use these points. Once I'm done using the 15 points throughout today, I'll have to wait for tomorrow before I use. But if you cannot wait, you can always go for their paid plan. Of course, they are in business to make money. So let me just do an example. Let me type in what I want them to create for me. Okay, so let's remove what I wrote here. Let me write create an image of a Hausa man from northern Nigeria who sells suya. Okay, I hope AI will be able to do this. So when you're done, click on create. Let's see what it will be able to bring out for us. So it's loading. As you can see here, it wrote what? Creating. So let's give it some time to come up with the images. Voila, our images are ready. So let's open one of them each after the other and see what they look like. You can see this. Okay, the next one, and the last one. I think this one is the one that depicts a suya selling suya on a stand. So this is just an example to show you what this site can do for you. As you can see, my coins have reduced from 14, it has reduced to 13. Okay, so what can we tell it to do again? Let's tell it to create So I told it to create an image of a pregnant woman about to cross the road in Lagos, Nigeria. So let's give it some time to load. So our images are ready. Let's check them one after the other. Is this woman naked? Alright, let's see the second one. Yeah, this one looks like Lagos, Nigeria. Of course, you know that how you identify Lagos is the yellow buses. So you can see this. Okay, this one looks like a real African woman. And this is the last one. So you can just play around anything you want it to do for you. Before I end this video, let me write the third or the last prompt that I want to use as an example for you. And you can be very detailed. Please tell it what you want to do in detail. Don't miss out any detail. If you want to say, show a fat man wearing an eyeglass, wearing a red shirt in his car, just be detailed. Tell it whatever you want it specifically to give you, and it will give you. So I told it, create an image of a man and a woman who went out on a date in a Chinese restaurant. Okay, so if you own a restaurant, and maybe let's say the name of the restaurant is Eat Well, something like that, or Mr. Biggs, or whatever, you can also put it whatever you want it to create for you. Just make sure you give it the right prompts, and it will always give you what you asked for. Okay, as you can see, because I did not specify the country, you see what it brought out for me? It brought out Oyibo people. So I should have said create an image of an African, or create an image of a Nigerian man and a woman, or whatever. But this is what it looks like. And if I had wanted a better restaurant, I could have said with other people in the restaurant. Okay, so let's do that. So you can see I edited the prompt and I said create an image of an African man and a woman who went out on a date in a Chinese restaurant. Show other people too in the restaurant. If you remember the first image, it was only the man and the woman they showed. But you know, you want real life situations or scenarios. So I said show other people too in the image. And you can see this. You can see other people too. You can see the man and the woman. Okay? You can see this. But I think I love this. I love this more than any other one. Okay? So like I said, play around it, create images for yourself, use it for your businesses. You know, you can tell a story with this. I know a lady who has a YouTube channel. She will create images like this and she will use it to tell stories. And you'll be seeing on her YouTube channel, you'll be seeing 200,000 views. People are watching stories. Story of lion and goat, oh, hare and rabbit chasing each other. She will use images like this. Then she will now use her voice and be narrating the story. You see people sit down and be watching 200 like 300 like she's making money on YouTube. So I'm teaching you this not just for you to use it for entertainment or fun. Yes, it's part of it. We use it to make fun and have, you know, be entertained. But make sure that you find a way to use it to make money for yourself, either directly or indirectly. By directly, I mean just like the example I gave you of the person who uses it to tell stories on a YouTube channel, or indirectly in your business. Remember that image I showed you of somebody with washing liquid, okay? With washing liquid, you can see this Soma wash. So like I said from the beginning, if you have a product, let's say the name of your, let's say you do sell, what can I even advertise now? Or you have a book, do you know you can even use this to create your book cover? Try it and see. So let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so, because anytime I find valuable information like this or any valuable technique like this, I'm going to be recording a video, sorry about that, to show you how to do it yourself. Enjoy your Microsoft Bing.